never expected them to get this big.
Where'd I put this?
Just hold it.
Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me.
Hello, Wagwan, big up yourself a day, yada abroad. Welcome back to another video, Jam Fam Tribe.
Today is one of those non-school days, although it's a weekday, and Eliona has decided that she's going to do one of her experiments. Of course, she used me as our guinea pig again for taste stuff. So, what you making?
First of all, isn't it just you who asked me for some?
Of course, I want some.
Okay.
However, I'm being the guinea pig because I'm going to do. I did.
So you're to blame.
Okay then.
Anyways, I'm making something similar to quesadillas, but with a breakfast toast. So you have your tortilla and then you cut a slit right here.
Okay.
So it can fold into quarters.
And what are all these things along the production line?
So this is it's air fried sausage.
Okay.
This is
chicken. It nuggets?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is fried egg.
Okay.
This is mayonnaise, and this is ketchup.
Okay.
So first, obviously you wash your hand, and I've done that already. So then you just put your sausage in.
So can you explain to me what you're doing?
I'm just putting the sausage into on the first quarter.
Okay.
So it's like that. And then I'm going to take the egg. I'm going to take up one egg and put it here.
Okay.
And then wait, I didn't cut the cheese.
Okay. So you've got the cheese on, and what next?
Then add the condiments. So my mom said she wants peanut butter. So we're going to...
So why we get that face? What peanut butter?
Well, it's your food, so... I'm not going to say anything.
Well, I did take ketchup. That should be fine.
I still don't understand how you like creamy peanut butter more than crunchy. Crunchy just tastes better.
Well, if I want crunchy peanut, I'll just go buy one pack of peanut. So let me see where this goes next. What happened next?
You take this corner and you fold it so. That's going to be weird. Peanut butter, pecan cheese. Too well. You fold it so. And the last fold, you fold it so.
Okay, so is that the sandwich?
No. You turn on the stove. You put a little bit of oil. And then you put this inside. Oops, the sausage checked out. Again, no sausage checked out. Okay.
So what you're going to do now?
Just to make it crunchy on the outside.
Oh, I see. And then that's it done?
I'm going to flip it.
When it crunching enough?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come and see you the finished product because I'm out of water.
So I finished frying it to make it crispy, because my mom can't eat anything without cinnamon, or else I don't know what will happen. I'm going to pour... This is cinnamon, right? Okay. I now know where I get my weird food combos from.
I've noticed. I just like cinnamon, but I stuff them. It adds something to it.
I like hot sauce and chocolate.
There we go.
Like cayenne pepper and chocolate.
So at the moment, I've noticed that you put all the frankfurters in mine, and you didn't give me any nuggets. What's up with that?
You never asked for the nuggets.
I know I didn't, but you made it.
But the nugget is 2,500 extra.
What, extra moolah? Just to get some nuggets? Ah, I beg oh.
Pass over the money. Okay, here's your piece.
Okay, it's fine. Oh, thank you for sharing. And I will go and have my indulge. So what are you going to do now?
I'm going to make mine.
Okay. The nuggets okay. I want to see how yours look when you finish.
You'll get to see.
Okay then. Okay, so it's not too bulky. It looks perfectly fine. I thought that it would be bulky with the nuggets, but it looks fine. So you just need to do your fry now, and then you're done.
What happened to the top of yours?
It's the cinnamon. No, in a bar. No, it's just the cinnamon I put on there, and I've started eating it, and it's actually nice. Did you hear that crunch? It's nice. I just cut it up into smaller bits so I can pick it up. And that peanut butter melted in there. It's a thing. It adds to it.
Mommy, you should be a professional mukbanger.
The crunch, the flavor, I have the peanut taste, I have the ketchup, and then the salt on the frankfurt and the egg. Everything just blending together nicely. It's that way.
You hear that?
Let's just
wet.
switch yours.
Can I put that up to yourself?
That's going to be nice because it's nice and crunchy looking.
Ooh.
And the cheese melting, I think everything is nice. You can't wait to have it. This one is a good one. We can add it to our
List.
Eliona keep complaining about my jackfruit smell, so I split it into 3. I ate 1/3 of it, and I bagged 1/3 in each of these bags. So I'll put one in the fridge, and then I'll put the other one in the freezer for another time when I feel a craving for it. But the last time I had it in the fridge, she complained about it. The time before that it was in the fridge, she complained about it. So this time I decided not to put it in the fridge, and she still complained. So now I'm going to be just having to refrigerate them like this so that we strike a balance in our communal space, because she does not like the smell at all. So, and it smells strong. So now this is the solution. I'm going to put this one bag in the fridge and one in the freezer. Yes, so today we are going to do an activity. You want to explain it?
We're doing a water balloon fight.
So somebody has had these water balloons planning for use in summer, and so now we're finally going to get to use them. And we decided the best way to do it was to do it when the sun is up and it's warm enough, but also
And with room temperature water.
And also before the sun gets too hot in the day. So we're going to have a go at seeing how it goes. So she's going to fill it up now. Is it working? Yeah. I have lots more space to go.
That water is
Turn it down then.
So we moved outside because the tap wasn't working. So this is what it looks like. They're all failing.
Oh no, that one burst already! I never expected them to get this big.
Where do I put this?
Just hold it.
It's spraying. They're all spraying out.
I'm going to turn it off now then. Ready?
So what about
Three
this
at a
one?
time. Then pull it down before it breaks.
You don't know? Oh.
The key's on the floor.
Oh. I'll put it up here.
Okay, set up that.
So some of these are gonna have to go on the floor. Wait, this is small, so it can. Never mind, that one's probably gonna deflate. So this is our water balloon. Wait, yeah,
That one. And
Ready?
ready, steady, go. Come back down. You have to stop. Are you going to stop there? Oh my gosh, one of those pound my head. My whole head.
Let me recollect.
Like, keep up, come with the bucket down here, so. I won't throw at you while you know. I won't throw while you relocate it. It's fine, just put it there. I won't throw. Oh, quite a few of them deflate, as you say.
That's why I think we should have tried a different one.
Oh wow, that's so hot.
Ready?
Again? Oh gosh, that means.
It's
I thought you wanted to throw at me! Wake me up!
They're all these. You selfie.
No, that is not fair! Oh! No, that's not fair! My whole head went. Oh my god! That is so unfair! Like the whole of me went now. What the fuck? My hair, every part of me wet. Oh my gosh.
Wait, I didn't think this straight. I would have to pick up balloon.
Uh-huh. Oh, you didn't think that far? I knew you would.
Can we do another one?
Not, I don't want to get any more.
I want to throw the bucket. You can throw the bucket on me this time.
No, I don't want to get any more wet.
Please.
No.
Please.
I can't do another one.
Please. Just one more.
Okay, one more.
I'll
Only
do-
one though.
You get to choose. Red,
What am I choosing?
red or purple?
Oh, for the bunch.
Yeah.
Red should be fine.
It's time
So,
for round
Eliona
two.
wanted another round. Oh, that should wake me up. Ready? No, here. Oh my gosh, stop talking like that. Is it? What did he hit?
Yeah.
Oh,
You just got so.
you want to refill?
Yeah,
I'm not going to.
I'm watching you.
I have 10, 5,
Three.
4, 3. Oh my gosh, this is a chance. I just swapped it up like that. Oh, you better refill.
Me too. I want
I got 4. Well, I got 3 more. Eliona. There's a clever way to do it.
You squeeze it
Yes.
and throw it.
Because when you throw
Wait,
it,
let me refill.
it bumps onto the person and it hits harder, but it don't necessarily burst. Oh, you have 4. I didn't know. Play fair.
You have 5.
Okay, here.
I don't want it. Can I start?
Yes.
It went.
Stop! Oh my gosh, okay, 2 more left.
Wait, let me.
Here. And before you wake me up, let me dash
No,
you.
you can tell me.
I'm not waiting to hear that again. I never on. I have the last one. Oh my gosh, I missed!
I'm gonna put it up and say
I can't believe I missed. Oh, listen, I don't know how we're getting inside the house. Oh my gosh. There's only one place to go. Honestly. I can't believe you actually go pull up that water for your bum.
Ready?
No.
3, 2,
No.
1.
Unbelievable.
Well, at least your weapon's dry. The rest of it.
No, this is dry. It's sticking onto my body.
This is dry.
Look. Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry.
Well, before we hit the shower, we need to clean up all of this plastic or rubber off of the garden.
Why did I do that?
Well,
Should have done it on the baby.
every fun come with an expense. Yeah, if we had done it out there though, well, I would have to keep my shoes on. Or we could just sweep it. Well, it's fine. They're close to each other, so we just need to keep them on.
We're everywhere. There's no one there.
I didn't expect it to be this good though. Because I'm thinking I'm going to have to get cold water thrown at my
But
body.
it's not that cold. It's kind of
is.
painful, but
It isn't that cold actually.
it's kind of painful, but
Oh, when it hits, yeah.
feels like a slap.
And maybe because I throw mine,
I tried to
So
try,
it
but
can-
it kept bouncing off.
yeah. Oh gosh. And I can't believe I missed the last one. Oh, I wanted that to splash. Oh my gosh. Anyways, that was a good fun. We've cleaned up all the bits and pieces now, and we're just going to head in and jump in the shower. But that was some good fun. My father came by, and so we've got another week and another set of supplies. So this is what we got this week, and I'm excited about something in this week's batch. So this week we've got a hand of banana, and don't know what those are called. So if you know what those bananas are called, just tell me in the comments below. And of course we've got our yam provision, but this right here, that is what I'm excited about. And I cannot wait to cook and taste it. It's a small one, but can't wait. So I'll just turn it around so you see what it is. Let you see that it's a tuber. Do you know what it's called? Tell me what you call it in your region. Wake me up. Ready? No, here. Oh my gosh, stop like that. Is it what it is?
The Jam Fam family. We're Irie, living the good life. We're royal, cruising through the West Indies, having fun, enjoying the good life. Jam Fam family, the Jam Fam family, yeah. Jam Fam, come hang with me. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Bye for now. See you in the next one.